Hey guys, Michael here. Welcome back to new video. So I'm trying to improve not just my illustrations, but also quality of my YouTube channel. It will be some tries and errors, but I believe I can get better soon or later. As always, thank you so much for your support, and let me introduce what will you see here. I'm working on illustrated book called Godfrey's Rebellion and Other Stories from Unknown World. I'm doing this in my free time and I want to share my progress and some how to do it tips. I am working on this project for about 12 years, but I really doing this for about a year. It is collection of various stories I wrote in the last decade. I got inspired from various historical cultures, reading ancient books and classic authors from antiquity, little bit esoteric and old theories about origin of mankind, such as legend of Atlantis and more. So here is map of unknown world. I call this unknown world because it is known for just for me, but I hope soon you will know it too. Map is set in ancient times of this continent before cataclysmic event known as Great Flood, which was caused by the slide of glacier from north. These deposits of water overflowed the rivers and flooded much of the continent, leading to division of the earth, famine, and the collapse of some civilizations. In the first draft, I have added soldiers who live here because it is fantasy or historical fiction with stories emphasis on military and wars. Another images shows their names according to their cities, countries and rulers. I cannot describe it just in this video, there will be more. It was 10 months of daily work, more than 250, maybe 300 now, sketches, drawings and finished colored illustrations. Here are just fractions, what is done and what will come. I had idea about several fantasy stories in mind from 2010. Start working on this project in January 2022, but I am far from done and it goes on. This project is evolving each day with each new idea, little story, lore, and there is always new artwork and new idea. I have never worked so hard on anything like this, and in my darkest times of life, it literally keeps me alive. I just want to say thank you so much for all your support, and many of you are here since beginning, which makes me, of course, happy. If you have any questions or about anything art related or just general info about unknown world and inspiration, references and anything like this, just let me know. I love your comments and it gives me also energy to do more. So thank you for that, and let me know how do you like it and if I should continue working on this type of videos. And hope you are enjoying my art project, illustrated art book about fictional history, and hopefully maybe in a year or two we will see this journey finished. And see you next time.